Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Xbox application using your mobile device. Adding friends on Xbox is a great way to stay connected with your gaming community. Whether you are on the go or at home, you can easily add friends on the Xbox platform. First, open the Xbox app on your mobile device and ensure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. From the top of the screen, select People. Now, type in the name of the person you are looking for in the text box and search. From the search result, look for your friend, and once you find them, tap on their profile and tap on Add Friend. You will then be able to send friend requests to the person. The person will receive your friend request. Once they accept, you'll be added to each other's friend list. You can also share an invite link to your friends so that you can add them as a friend on Xbox. After you tap the search button, go ahead and tap on share link to add friends button, and then you can go ahead and tap on make a link. You will then be creating a link on the screen. Tap on the share button right next to the created link, and now go ahead and select your contacts you want to invite to Xbox. After you do that, send in the request by tapping the send button. You can also use other messaging platforms and select a contact you want to invite, and once they accept your request and joins in, you will be able to be friends on the platform. So by that way, you can go ahead and send friend requests or add a friend on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.